Hello folks, this isn't one of my normal type of videos on this channel. This is just a quick little thing about Canon R6 camera. I had one from HDEW cameras in London, and the first wedding I used it at, it came up with error 70 on the screen just before the bride went to walk into the wedding ceremony. So that was good. I had to dismantle the gimbal and set everything back up and use my other cameras. So the shop sent me a replacement. It's not the shop's fault, by the way. They've been great, but the replacement came a few days ago, and I've literally just sat down this evening. It's the 7th. I've just sat down and set it all up, setting it up to go onto the Ffs new gimbal I bought for it. And I got all the way through all the menu settings, and I got to the bit where you do touch drag focusing, set it to go to on, lifted it up to my hands, to my eye, and error 70 came up on the screen. So what on earth is going on with Canon's quality control? I really don't know. But now I've got to send the R6 back again, and at the moment I'm going to have a refund because I can't put any confidence into it. I can't photograph a wedding and have a faulty camera. I haven't even recorded any footage to it this time. So just so that people know, I was using it with the supplied LPE6 battery, whatever the code is, the one from the box. I was using it with a Canon original branded EF camera lens adapter, and I was using it with a Canon 24-105L series f4 lens. So everything should have worked. There were no third-party branded accessories. Just an absolute shame, but you know, put some stuff in the comments about what other people's experiences are. Canon R6 error 70.